Alligators Creek Aquatic Center is now open, and there are 2 new ways to enjoy splashing around your favorite water park. Located in O'Fallon Civic Park, Alligators Creek is one of the finest outdoor aquatic centers in the area, and this year it's gotten even better. You've enjoyed the many amenities at Alligators Creek for years, and now we've added a new drop slide that offers an exhilarating rush as you speed into the pool. We've also enhanced the lazy river with a new series of tipping buckets that fill up and spill out when they reach their tipping point. You can check out all the new additions and enjoy the crystal clear water of the Alligators Creek Aquatic Center now, open all summer long until Labor Day. Starting on June 3rd, Civic Park will host the greatest outdoor concert series in the area. O'Fallon Jammin' returns for another summer of great free music. Shows kick off on Tuesdays at 6:30 p.m., and each week we'll bring a different band to the stage, from country and rock and roll to Motown and pop. New this year, food trucks will be available with gourmet food and beverages for sale. There's never a charge for admission at O'Fallon Jammin', so bring a chair or a blanket and get ready for a rockin' night of free music and fun. Visit the city's website for a complete list of Jammin' concerts, and don't miss a single show of this amazing outdoor concert series. Spend some time with your family and try to catch the big one at our famous Family Fishing Day. On Sunday, June 8th, kids ages 5 to 12 are invited to try their hand at catch and release fishing in Fort Zumwalt Park. Lake Wetzel has been freshly stocked with fish, and the day's activities also include worm races, a casting contest, a reel race, and more, courtesy of O'Fallon's Parks and Recreation Department. Be sure to bring your own bait and tackle to participate, and no license is required for junior fishers under the age of 15. This event is free and runs from 8 in the morning to noon. Mark your calendars and don't miss this awesome family event. Our next free bulk waste drop-off date is on June 21st, and you can get more info on O'Fallon's website. That's all for this episode of the O'Fallon Update. We'll have more on June 3rd.